Are you tired of your manual processes taking a lot of time and also money? I'm talking about sanding, deburring outside of the machine. So what is it that Schunk have to offer them?
So this is the new trend we're seeing in automation, machine tending, is to use robots and deburring, sanding, material removal units. And we have a whole range of them, which we'll be taking to MACH. So there you will see an actual robot simulating and doing the deburring, the sanding and the polishing for you. So you can either eliminate the manual work or take that from an expensive machine and do it outside.
Perfect. Did you know also that Schunk have over 11,000 products on offer? The range is huge. Look, visit the Schunk stand at MACH. However, if you cannot make MACH, make sure you're watching the MTDCNC live event on Thursday, where Marcel is going to be showing off all of Schunk's solutions.